It's your girl, La Robin Lachey, and we are back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, we'll be looking at the market. The current time is 8:30, so we are at market open. As you can see, we had news at 8:30. I'll be trading NAS 100 and gold. I don't trade NAS 100 till after 8:30, but since we have news, sometimes we can still get a setup before market open. Gold is ranging right now. Not sure what it wants to do. Now with gold did sell yesterday. It sold a lot up until 12 o'clock in the AM, and now we are ranging. Looks like NAS may hold this level right here and continue up. Let's look at the 5-minute. Look at this wick. Look like gold took liquidity here. Let's see how gold wants to close. Okay, I'm currently looking at gold, and gold is looking really good with the sales. Right here we swept liquidity, and now we are creating a strong bearish candle. It's 8:38, 2 minutes. We're going to see how this candle closes, and that could be a possible setup preparing itself. NAS 100, let's go down to the 5-minute. NAS 100 created a strong bullish candle, so I'm waiting for price to retest this area, and we may be looking for buys. So if price comes back down to my level here, I may be taking a buy up to my support. Up to my resistant area. So now we're currently looking at NAS 100, and it is 8:40. NAS created a nice bullish candle during news, so now we're just waiting for the retracement and see if we can get a possibly entry. If not, I will be waiting for market open. Let's take a look at gold on the higher time frame. On the 4-hour, it looks like it is at my level where it is either going to break through or retest, so I'm waiting for more confirmation whether to take a sell or take a buy. If I see some good rejection in this area, I'll be going for a buy. If not, I'll be looking for sales. I'm going to go ahead and set my alerts for sales in case it comes to my area of interest. And let's see what happens. So right now I'm looking at good rejections in this area. Now I'm just waiting for the next candle to see if I want to take a buy. Gold is actually looking good. If this candle wick, if I see a nice rejection in this area, I'm gonna go ahead and take a buy. I believe price will be bullish today. Okay. On the 1-hour, it looks like gold filled in this gap area, and it also filled in this gap area here as well, and it did not surpass my key level, so I'll be looking for buys at the moment. I want to go ahead and get in this trade. I'm waiting for price to come back around this area here so I can get a good entry. If not, I'll wait for the next candle, and we're going to see if price comes back to my level here. I don't want my stop loss to be too huge, but sometimes you got to take what the market gives you. So let's just wait and see what happens. Oh man, look at that candle. That could have been my 1-to-1 right there. Wait and be patient, and let's see what the market wants to do. Gold is pushing like crazy. That is a crazy candle right there. set an alert just in case price wants to come back to my area so I can get a good entry. Let's take a look at NAS. NAS is looking decent as well. I will not be taking any setups on NAS until after 9:30 open, and I am waiting on gold. So I'm currently waiting on a good setup for gold so I can be able to get in the market. So I will be back once price has reached my area and we are taking a setup. Right now, it looks like price wants to continue bearish on the 5-minute candle, on the 5-minute chart. But when you go up to a higher time frame, it's showing a different story. It's showing that price wants to reject this area and continue up. And that's why we wait. But right now, I'm loving this rejection. Price did pass this higher low area. Gold broke this key level, so it is a possibility that it can continue higher, even though the market did sell yesterday. But if it goes past this level here, I'll be looking for sales. That's why we have to wait, because we never know what the market wants to do. You could be thinking one thing and the market can be doing another. Let's head back to the 5-minute chart. Right now it is 8:56. 8:56, and I think I want to get in the market. My entry was supposed to be here, but look like I'll be getting a better entry. Loving this rejection from the last 5-minute candle, so I'm gonna wait till price gets around here. Let's see what happens. Price is definitely rejecting nicely. I'm still waiting. I haven't gotten into the market yet. I'm still waiting on the opportunity. I have not gotten into the market yet. It is now 8:58, 2 minutes until the next candle. Now it's 100. Looks like price want to come back down. Let's see what type of candle gold wants to create. I think I'm gonna wait on the next candle. I'm not too sure yet, so I'm going to wait. But I am waiting and seeing what it wants to do. It's 9 o'clock. Now let's create a strong bearish 1-hour candle. Could potentially sell. So I was not able to get a good entry, and that is fine, because if I would have got in earlier, I would have lost that trade. My stop loss would have been hit. That's why you have to be patient with this market and just let your trade play out. Okay, so gold is back at a demand area on the 1 hour. It has tapped back into this gap here. So that could be confirmation that price wants to reject this area and continue bullish, or it could actually break this key level and sell. So let's go to the 5 minute. Looks like we have a nice rejection here. I'm going to continue to wait. Confirmation will be your best friend. Wait for confirmation. And like this candle here wants to wick this demand area. So we get a nice wick within the next 3 minutes. I may be looking for a potential buy. Right now it is 9:07. And let's give it time to see what it wants to do. All right, we are looking at the 1 hour. We do have some strong bearish momentum, but I don't know why. I don't know why I'm trusting my analysis and I'm thinking that gold is going to buy up. That's what I think. I think gold wants to buy up in this area right here. Within this area, gold wants to buy up. And if I get confirmation, I'm going to enter a buy. 1 minute to the next candle. Let's see what happens. Let's go, let's go. Look at that wick. Right now it is 9:10, so I will be entering on the break of this candle right here, and we're going to go for a 1-to-1. So let's see what happens. Right now I have not entered the market. I have not entered the market yet. I am waiting on price to come back and break this candle here. If it breaks this candle, then I'll be going for a buy. If not, I will just have to wait for a better setup. If I don't find a setup with gold, then I'll wait till after market open to see if Nas gives me a good setup. All right, it is now 9:14, and if I see a good wick rejection right here, I will be entering on the next break of the candle. Here we go. I'll be entering at the break of the candle. We are in there. I am in the market. Let's see how this trade play out. I believe that the market still wants to buy. So let's just see what happened. I got in at a strong demand area. Price ended up rejecting this area. So that was more confirmation of why I took the trade. This would be my first take profit area. I'm not sure if I want to hold for a second take profit, but if I were to take a second take profit, it would be this area, and then my third would be this liquidity area. But I am just going for a simple 1-to-1. Okay, so this would be my first take profit area. And this level here will be take profit 2 and take profit 3. When I send out trade ideas to my group, I also send different take profit areas as well. TP1 will always be my 1-to-1, and then if you would like to go to a second or third take profit, then you will be able to see where you need to get out the market at. But for me, it is a simple 1-to-1, and sometimes I leave a runner or take partials and let my trade play out. It is currently 9:20. Let's see what this 9:20 candle wants to do. We have 10 minutes to market open. So will gold play around to market open, or will it go ahead and hit TP1 according to my analysis? Let's go. We are almost to TP. Let's go. Come on, TP1 is hit. Alright, TP1 got smacked. So TP1 did get hit, and it took about 30 to 35 minutes for TP1 to get hit, which is a little slow. So we did win this trade. My 1-to-1 was hit, but I would like to say gold played around a lot. It took forever to hit my 1-to-1 today. I saw the vision and I stuck with it. Higher time frame confluence, and now gold is headed to TP2. But that was a good trading session. A good trading session. We ended up hitting TP1 in about 30 minutes timing. Took about 30 minutes or so. Between 10 and 15 minutes later, go hit TP2 and TP3. If you guys like my content today, be sure to subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know if you took this setup